Okay, we'll do a little 350 KCmil. There. Take some of the work out of it. Oh, that stuff got hot. Uh-oh. That's not going to come off. That looks like a braise. Oh. Okay, we get the point. We're gonna do that for a dozen more. Okay, we got all the 350 KCmil done. And we got all this scrap coating. We're gonna cut it up with the DeWalt pruner. Takes a little while, but just garbage management. It works well. There's a couple different ways. This is about the right angle. Sometimes you go too far that way and see it holds on there. This way, if you get too severe work too, sometimes just a little bit there is not the best. This stuff doesn't have that outer coating, so it actually goes pretty good. This is the part where one day you might lose a finger if you're not careful. So if you get too tired, don't do this. We're pretty well done with all the big stuff anyway, so all the fun's done.